YouTube. It's me, Chandler. Alright everybody, here we are again for another episode of Draw Like a Nerd, and as you can see our drawing is already underway because I have lost the footage for the beginning of this drawing. Sorry, but fortunately we didn't lose too much of the drawing, so without further ado we're just going to get into it. This is Pokemon number 135, Jolteon, the lightning Pokemon. Enjoy! Okay, so I know this looks like a deformed bird beak, and that'll get fixed when we get to it, basically. I don't want to dedicate the time to fixing that now when I really want to clean up we have a method here. We have a step-by-step process, which is good because sometimes it's good to have a bit of a step-by-step to follow on, because sometimes I'll look at a blank page and I'll be like, what do I do? Where am I going to start? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw, but just where should I start? Or looking at something like this, where I'm like, okay, now I got to get in there and fix it. Where's the best place to start on it? It would almost feel sometimes like rock climbing in a way, in my mind. I'm just sort of planning out this thing's going to lead in well to this thing, which leads in to this step. Obviously none of the physical strength required, but sort of the same methodology that I assume one would need for rock climbing and planning their way up a cliffside. Alright, now we're going to get in and we're going to clean up this back part here. Okay, cool. And we've got this hind area pretty much figured out, looking good. Sometimes you just have to kind of call it good. If you notice, I took a long time just with this one little area. Sometimes you just have to make it, if you're having a trouble spot, either just draw it, put it on, and understand that, you know what, this actually not the most important part of our drawing. So we're just gonna leave it how it is. It looks good enough how it is, even though it's not perfect. You don't have to be a perfectionist, okay? If I, someone who is putting this out into the world in video form on the internet to be scrutinized and torn apart 6 ways to Sunday, if I'm gonna let a few little mistakes fly by, certainly in your own art you can too. Alright, now as I hop off my soapbox, we're gonna get into these arms and the mane. Okay, cool. I've been noticing in the videos that every time I finish a section, I've been saying alright, so I've been trying to switch it up, and now it seems that I'm just saying okay, cool. Now, but is pretty cool. As we're nearing, getting close to the end of this video here, because all we have to do left for this sketch is the head and fix whatever, you know what this looks like? This looks like that old, if anyone remembers that Olive the Other Reindeer, that art style, like the way they make their mouths in that Christmas classic. But that's neither here nor there or anywhere. Let's do the head. All right, I'm finding that this placement here is kind of off, so we're gonna have to kind of go against what we already drew here. We're just gonna erase all of this because it's not what we want, which is okay because that's why we draw it light. There we have it. Here's our sketch of Jolteon. You know, and while I feel pretty good about this sketch, something for me just feels kind of off about it. I don't know if it's because it's not colored yet, or I feel something with the head area. It just feels a bit off. Maybe it's the shadowing that needs to happen. But all in all, even though I feel not the best with it, it still looks good, and I'm still proud to have drawn it. I'm proud to put it on YouTube and proud to show it to you people. So that's going to be all the drawing for this episode.
And that's where I'm going to leave it for today, guys. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you think other people would like this video, hit the share button. And if you want to see the next episode, you know you got to hit that subscribe button. And while I got you here, why not check out another episode of Draw Like a Nerd? Just a thought. See you next time, guys.